Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Now the request has been submitted and the email notification will be sent to the approval. Okay. Now, this was the first step. That is, data retention management. Okay. Second step is Purge request monitor. Okay. But Purge request monitor. How the approval will perform. The positive request. Monitor for that. I need to walk. See to the approval. Will anyone approval? Okay. So let me see if they have received or not. I am seeing the demo system. This inconsistency will be there, but we will see. So I proceed to the SF Fed. And what is the second tool? Purge request monitor. OK. Now when I went into the Purge request monitor, I have to see the option. So, under Request Pending Approval, you can see the approval request has came. The button is enabled. This button should be active approved. OK. So you can click on Approve here. So where can we see the details? Sorry, where can we see the details? I mean it is for some questions. I mean we don't see anything here. Yes, I will show you. So once it is approved, you can go here in the question. Just few more. Yeah, can you see the XN? No, I'm able to see the CSV file. I can see the user ID and just a little bit of the array type. So another one. You can see Santoshki. Yeah. Can you see Santoshki? You will be purged. It is showing here. Okay. So when you open this Z file, once the approval is being done, you can see here the name and the employee data will be there. Use the ID key here. Okay. So that only I was opening that Z file one-to-one. It is showing there, not create a eKansi, Santoshki. Okay. So once it is done, if you see a subnomish object type, it is done here. So what we need to do? We can go back into the system. So here it is already showing this up to. So what we can do, we can go back here and just try to refresh this page once. Notice not done yet. Just keep it on the moment. Open the image to check here. Okay. 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 Okay, and tape is just giving me a moment. Okay. We have put 2 requests. We have put 2 approvals. So 1 approval is all that we have done. We have to do the remaining approval also. We have also. You can see this is approved. Now it has to vanish from here. So it is vanished. Okay. Now you can see this processing approach. Because we have put 2 approvals. And we have approved 1 only. Second approval was still pending. So it is showing. Processing approach. Again, you close here. Completed. Once it is completed, you can. Now you can download the report. The same thing it will be showing again. But after this, once it is being done. Here in the purge, this first. For this. It has been completed. Then, when you go here and now, you will refresh this page and we can see that changes will be effective here. You can see the data. Everything has been removed from here. So it is changed. Okay, you can see below also the data. Everything has been removed from here, formally deleted from each area. Can you see here by the fake national TD contact information? Earlier the data was there. Okay. You can see all data has been removed from here. Nothing is changed. So this is the way how you can do the employee purge with the help of the tool. That is for, let's say, data retention. Okay. So this type of a support ticket we used to get. What type of what type of a scenario we can able to get this requirement. Sometimes, what happens? The customer. They have done some recruitments from the campus placements. And they have offered it. And in the RCM module they have created the candidate profile. And from there the profile will be moving into onboarding. And from onboarding the profile, will be going and seeing in the employee center. So the HR will pick the data from the employee center. When the candidate joins the company. So they don't have to create the profile, because the profile is already created from the RCM. From the recruitment stage. But, for example, assuming that the candidate, 15 days before the candidate, has declined that offer. The candidate is not joining. The customer says, "Customer, come to know that the candidate is not joining." Then they will inform towards this candidate. We have created the profile in the system. He's timely, he'll activate this profile and kindly do the employee purge for this candidate, so that there should not be any data in the directory for this candidate. So this type of scenario, we use this employee.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.